Hello everyone, this is Alexey, and here's the 100th anniversary edition of Power Semiconductors Weekly. Thank you a lot for all your support and feedback. Great updates coming soon. And now, let's check what is new in Power Semiconductors industry. Diodes Incorporated announced the release of its first silicon carbide Schottky barrier diodes. The portfolio includes the diode series with 11 products rated at 650 volt and the diode series with 8 products rated at 1200 volt. These wide bandgap Schottky barrier diodes bring the benefits of significantly improved efficiency and high temperature reliability, while also responding to market demands for reduced system running costs and low maintenance. The devices are suitable for AC-DC, DC-to-DC, and DC-to-AC switching converters, photovoltaic converters, uninterruptible power supplies, and industrial motor drive applications. NexGen Power Systems, the global leader in design, development, and manufacture of vertical gallium nitride semiconductors for high-power applications, announced engineering samples availability and production schedules for its industry-best 700 and 1200-volt NexGen vertical GaN semiconductor devices. NexGen's 1200-volt vertical GaN E-mode FinJ-FET are the only wide bandgap devices that have successfully demonstrated over 1 MHz switching at 1.4 kV rated voltage. Wolfspeed announced plans to build a highly automated cutting-edge 200mm wafer fabrication facility in Germany. The company's first fab in Europe will be its most advanced, creating a breakthrough innovation silicon carbide development and production facility in the European Union to support growing demand for a wide variety of automotive, industrial, and energy applications. The Wolfspeed facility is planned as part of a collaboration within IPCEI for Microelectronics and Communication Technologies framework and is dependent upon state aid approval from the European Commission. IPCEI funding is intended to support technology development and initial deployment within this project. Wolfspeed announced a strategic partnership that includes the creation of a joint innovation lab to drive advances in silicon carbide systems and devices for mobility, industrial, and energy applications. The partnership also includes a significant investment by ZF to support the planned construction of the world's most advanced and largest 200mm silicon carbide device fab in Germany. The strategic partnership includes a joint research facility in Germany that will focus on real-world e-mobility and renewable energy system-level challenges. The goal of the collaboration is to develop breakthrough innovations for silicon carbide systems, products, and applications, covering the full value chain from chip to complete systems. Additional collaboration partners will be invited to participate in the innovation process, establishing an end-to-end European silicon carbide innovation network. Veeco Instruments acquired Epilovac, a privately held manufacturer of chemical vapor deposition (CVD) epitaxy systems that enable advanced silicon carbide applications in the electric vehicle market. Epilovac, based in Sweden, was founded in 2013 by a highly experienced team in silicon carbide. Epilovac's technology platform, combined with Veeco's global go-to-market capabilities, create a significant long-term growth driver for Veeco. Cambridge GaN Devices kicks off the first tutorial webinar series in February. During this series, company's gallium nitride experts will share their insights on gallium nitride for efficient power conversion and how Cambridge GaN Devices technology enables ease of use and the highest performance. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more Power Semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.